Today I am not dealing with any dangerous lye. I am not worrying about saponification process or temperature. Today I'm going to talk about the fun stuff with soap, which is your colorants, your soap, your embeds, all the fun things you get to do artistically. So I'm going to show you my Brambleberry purchase. I'm a brand new soaper. I had nothing, starting out with nothing. Now I know that soap basically is just fat, lye, and water, right? You mix those together, you're going to get soap. But if you add the fun stuff, soap is so much more. So as a new soaper, the question is, what do I buy? Where do I start? And so I'm going to show you how I did my first Brambleberry purchase. Maybe that will help other brand new soapers out there. So I decided I wanted to test a lot of different things. So I went for a lot of the sample packs that they have at Brambleberry, which is great. So for instance, melt and pour soap, which is soap base that's already been made, and you get the chance to melt it down and add colorants and add scents and kind of personalize it. You can also make fun embeds for your cold process. You get 7 different types of melt and pour soap in their sample pack, which allows you to try them all. You get hemp, goat's milk, honey, aloe, clear, white, and shea butter. So I'm going to have fun making some embeds with these. Then, of course, I needed my lye. So I got my lye from Brambleberry as well, just because I heard it was highly rated and that people weren't having any problems with it. I got activated charcoal because I was very interested in trying to use this. I've used activated charcoal for skincare before, so I thought that would be fun. And then I got some color packs. These are color samples. So the first one I got was the Rainbow Mica Sampler Pack, which I think has some really fun colors. I'm going to hold those up for you to see. So you get every color in the rainbow. So I'm excited to do some fun bright soaps with these. And then just to save money, I looked in their clearance section and they had a clearance Christmas sampler pack. And in here you get black oxide. You get the brick red oxide, which I used in my very first and so far only batch of soap. You get the King's Golden Mica, which I also used for the gold drizzle on that. Iridescent glitter. It doesn't say that it's biodegradable though, so I'm not going to purchase probably more of that. I'll get the biodegradable. This is a metallic Merlot mica. I don't know if it'll keep its metallic nature in cold processed soap, so I'll probably use that as a drizzle as well. You've got a green oxide. Now the Snowflake Sparkle and the Super Pearly White Mica, they both contain titanium dioxide. So if you're just starting out and you want black and white, this is a good sample pack. It'll have the black and white in there for you. And this one is very iridescent, so that would make a good drizzle as well. And then you get these 2 super fun bright colors. So I think this is more for the retro 60s Christmas look, because I looked at them, I thought these aren't Christmassy, but they'll make for some fun summertime and Easter soaps. So I think the color Christmas sampler pack is a great deal, especially if you get it on clearance like I did. All right, and then for the scents, for essential oils and fragrance oils, I've never smelt any, so I don't know what to pick. I'm not a big fan of essential oils. I'm just not. I never really have been. I don't know if that's because I had too many super nature granola grandmas in my neighborhood that used to medicate me naturally without my mom even giving them permission to. So I have a lot of memories of people rubbing Melaleuca on me without my say-so, and so the smell brings back some scary memories for me. But I thought I would get some essential oils anyway. Let's see, here's the essential oils. So you get 12 different essential oils. There's things in here like orange, lavender, lemongrass, cedarwood, sandalwood, a lot of your basic spearmint, peppermint, a lot of your basic essential oils. And then you can mix and match them if you want, or mix them in with fragrance oils as well. For the fragrance oil sampler, I decided to pick the men's fragrance oil just because I tend to like more masculine scents. In this one you get 11 different fragrance oils, and they've got some really good ones in here. I will say that unless you like your regular clean scent soap smell, like what you're used to smelling from the store, I probably wouldn't get this again. It was a really good place for me to start, but there's too many fragrances in here that just smell like soap from the store. There are a couple cologne fragrances in here There's some interesting ones. The tobacco and bay leaf I really like. It does have vanillin in it though, so you have to be careful to make sure you read the labels. I like that Brambleberry on most of their labels will tell you how it behaves, but not all the time. So you do have to go through their website and make sure that you know exactly how your fragrance oils are going to behave. So this is my Brambleberry haul. Lots of colors, lots of oils, lots of melt and pour soap, my basic lye, and my activated charcoal. Not too bad for a first time purchase. This is going to let me do a lot of creative things that I'm very excited to do.